Nice icy day, huh? Right after Christmas. And we're doing something today. We're out in the ice and we're gonna go get some birds, huh? Yeah. So I guess everybody had a good Christmas and I hope they have a happy New Year. All right? Thanks, Deanna. What's it say?
Let's go get some birds.
That's cool. Thanks, honey.
Yeah, probably all 10. Yeah, all 10 will be in the cover. I think what we are going to do is we're going to take this strip right here out first. We're going to have birds in this strip. We'll probably take this one out, then come down, bring this one back. Then we'll come up to the third strip, and then we'll take that one out because I think our quail are probably going to be up in that strip. And there's like 4 chuckers up there. We're going to have birds in this one below too. I think we'll take this one out. We'll cut down, we'll bring this one back. Then we'll come up to this one. That's probably going to be where our quail are at. Or maybe we'll get most of the chuckers out of the way. You never know what these quail are going to do. If they all go, the whole covey goes, we got to sort of keep our eyes out which way they go. Then we'll go and pick them off. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Like we used to do them in coveys of 20. A whole covey of 20, like up here. You'd hunt that covey of 20, then over on that hill over there, there'd be another covey of 20 over there. Break that whole covey up and then hunt all them. It takes a while. Yeah, he's birdie. Easy. I'll be right in front of him there. Just keep walking. Be ready. Okay. Get him up, Brandon. Cut him! Okay.
There he goes.
I thought Andy was at home. Fly the whole way up?
No, he's right over down in here.
Oh, okay.
Right at the edge of the woods.
All right.
Yeah, it's too close to your nose for me to shoot. Come on there.
Cut him! Good job.
That was a shot in unison.
Let's get up there.
We both got it.
Huh? We both got it. Oh, good boy. Run. Oh. It's hit. Yeah. He might point another bird way down there. Get it, Ram! Hey, mine. Thank you.
It's standing.
He's gonna go.
Good go.
I don't know if he's gonna be calling you Randy today.
I just scared the first shot, then I get the second shot.
No, you hit both of them. You flew feathers on both first
Here,
shots.
Rem Brink, mine. Hey, Rem dog, mine.
Got that on video. Listen, next time I get one, somebody say, "Nice shot, Bobby!"
I did.
Oh, did you?
Nice shot, Bobby.
And then next time everybody misses, Randy!
We gotta wait till you're done shooting.
And only when it gets off the ground.
Are you ready?
Now. Hey!
Way to go, right back.
It's facing me, so clickers have been acting funny lately. I don't know why. Here, Rem, bring. Rem. Yep, he's gonna play squeaky toy. Bring it here. Come on. Get ready. Back. There we go. I'm not sure who got that one.
Did you get that one, Kirk?
I think so. He did. Here. Right here. Rem. Mine. Rem dog, mine.
You guys ready?
Squawk, squawk.
Sorry, it didn't come down.
Touch him up. Bring it here, Rem. That's son of a gun. He's gonna go down. I don't know why they're doing that. Lately, it seems like they get up, they fly a little bit, and then they want to come back down.
Get ready.
Take him. Nice. Good shoot.
Kirk got that one.
Touch him up, Rem. Just like deer hunt. You want me to get in and get it out? You get ready. Get him!
Harry.
Cut him! Move up quick because they're all probably right in there.
On point.
All right, keep moving. He's still on point.
He's right there. I'm pointing.
He's on point.
Oh, I see it.
What is it, a quail?
Chucker.
Oh, okay. That is. Oh. Cut him! Shit! Run! You got it. Touch him up here, Rem. Watch it. That's dead one. There we go. Here, Rem. One nice thing about these little guys is they let off one heck of a scent. They're actually pretty easy for the dog to smell.
And they taste good.
Right there. Might have another dead one, maybe not. Yeah, it is. Get ready. Good dog. Let's just finish this out just in case. They look good. Go ahead and walk right at it. Touch him up! Touch him here, big boy. Here, run dog. Good dog. Cut him! Good stuff. Is that a chucker?
Quail.
Quail.
That's a quail. It must have been hit.
Couldn't get up.
Touch it. Touch it here.
Oh, I see it. Straight ahead of me. Another quail.
Two of them.
Oh, there's two?
Two, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There's two.
Right, both of them straight in front of me.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Looking nervous.
They're like, oh no!
Get
up!
I'm out of ammo.
There's one right out in front of you guys.
There's two right here down.
That's your Rem. Here? Rem.
There you go. There you go, Bobby. Hey, Bobby!
Yeah.
There you go.
Touch your
Yeah.
Cold and wet.
Tired after a hard day of work.
He's a good doggy.
Alrighty, fellas, how'd your hunt go today?
Great. Good. It was great. Good time. Great.
How was that girl filming you? She did a good job?
She did a fine job. Wonderful.
I know. Deanna does a good job.
I'm gonna blush.
You gonna blush?
What are you smoking? Not hard to blush with.
Venison stick.
Venison stick.
Yeah, that's what I'm smoking.
You like them venison sticks?
So good.
Yeah.